Looking for a professional alternative to Adobe Illustrator? CorelDRAW has been a favorite among graphic designers for years. But in 2026, is it still worth buying? Here's everything you need to know in under 3 minutes. What is CorelDRAW? CorelDRAW is a professional vector graphic design software used to create logos, illustrations, marketing materials, signs, packaging, and technical drawings. Unlike many design tools, it's available as a one-time purchase or a subscription, giving users more flexibility. Key features. Here are the features that stand out. Powerful vector illustration tools for logos, icons, and detailed artwork. Multi-page document support, making it great for brochures, catalogs, and magazines. Advanced typography with precise text controls. AI-powered tools for image enhancement, tracing, and design assistance. Built-in photo editing through Corel Photo Paint. PDF editing and export options. Support for Windows and Mac with a customizable workspace. Excellent compatibility with AI, PSD, PDF, SFG, EPS, and many other file formats. These features make CorelDRAW suitable for both print and digital design projects. Pricing. CorelDRAW offers two pricing options: an annual subscription that includes the latest updates and cloud features, a perpetual license with a one-time payment if you prefer to own the software. Students and businesses can also find discounted licensing options depending on the region. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Powerful professional design tools, one-time purchase option available, excellent file compatibility, great for print, signage, and branding projects, easier learning curve than some competing professional software. Cons. More expensive than beginner-friendly alternatives. Some advanced collaboration features are not as polished as cloud-first competitors, not as widely used in creative agencies as Adobe Illustrator. Final verdict. So is CorelDRAW worth it in 2026? If you are a professional designer, print shop owner, sign maker, or anyone creating vector graphics regularly, absolutely. Its powerful tools, flexible licensing, and strong file support make it one of the best vector design applications available. However, if you are a casual user or just starting out, free alternatives like Inkscape or browser-based tools like Photopea may be enough. If this review helped you decide, do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out our other design software reviews. Thanks for watching and goodbye.